Darling! Darling! Oh, darling! That stuff that eats through anything, it doesn't eat through glue. It just eats through trousers. Darling, if it eats through trousers, you don't think it goes on and eats through... Listen, darling, I think I'd better get these trousers off. Quick, darling, this is an emergency. Have we got any stuff to stop the stuff, I mean, if it eats through absolutely anything. Darling, I think I can feel it. I think it's eating through absolutely everything. Oh. Lloyd! Lloyd! Oh, Lloyd. I'm sorry. You know how stupid I am. But I'm about ready to drop my trousers round my ankles, and I think it's going to be frightfully difficult doing a quick change without a dresser. Do you think that Tim could help me? Oh, thank you, Lloyd. Thank you. Thank you.